Is managing and logging call activities really a part of your recruitment job? Even if you're using PCRecruiter, if your phone system runs separately, you're still wasting hours every week. Hours you could have used to post another job, screen another candidate, or close another position. But if you integrate KrispCall in PCRecruiter, you don't have to at all. All your call management tasks that feel admin sync right into your CRM. And the best part? You don't need to leave PCRecruiter to make calls and send SMS. Let's walk you through the integration setup between these two platforms. Simply log in to your KrispCall account and head over to Settings, navigate to Integrations, and search for PCRecruiter. Upon clicking Connect, KrispCall will prompt for CRM details. Enter the valid credentials and click on Connect Now. Your PCRecruiter integrates instantly with KrispCall. Now, let's customize your integration settings to match your workflows. In General Settings, choose your regular sync preferences. Then, in Workflow Settings, manage your sync options in detail as per your needs. And in the connected numbers, add one or multiple numbers to be used for calls and SMS in PCRecruiter. Once you've set up customization, whether you create contacts in KrispCall or PCRecruiter, the contacts of your applicants sync in both platforms without the risk of duplication. No time is wasted. You're ready to dial candidates without leaving the PCRecruiter dashboard. But before that, install KrispCall's dialer extension on your browser. Then, in your applicant's name, navigate to their number, click on the KrispCall icon, and select the call option. The dialer opens for you to start the call instantly. During calls, the notes you make on the dialer auto-sync to notes and activities under each name. Sending SMS is just the same. After clicking on the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, type your message, and just click to send. There's no hassle of switching or opening new apps. Every call log, SMS, and recording gets auto-synced right in PCRecruiter. What if you miss any candidate's calls? Activated voicemails get auto-synced too. You can hear recordings right from the CRM and make the right screening accordingly. That's how easy it is to bring your entire calling workflow into PCRecruiter with integration in KrispCall. No more switching tabs, no more forgotten follow-ups, and no more admin overload. Visit KrispCall.com and explore the AI-powered phone solution that makes recruitment smarter right from your CRM.